Are you tired of the same old ways of making money online? If so, then you are in luck. There's a new earning website that has recently launched and is taking the internet by storm. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can make money online with this new website in 2024. We'll be sharing the ins and outs of the website, how it works, and how you can start earning money today. 5 keywords. Online earning. Make money online. New earning website. Internet. 2024. Welcome to our video, where we'll be showing you a brand new way to make money online in 2024. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for new ways to earn money on the internet, then you're going to want to stick around for this one. In this video, we'll be introducing you to a new earning website that's taking the internet by storm. Are you tired of the same old grind that comes with typical online earning methods? Do you want a fresh, new approach to making money on the internet? Well, there's a new earning website that's recently launched which may be just what you're looking for. It's an easy, user-friendly website that allows you to earn money doing simple tasks online. How does it work? The website works by offering users the ability to complete various tasks in exchange for payment. Some of these tasks include filling out surveys, watching videos, and taking part in online quizzes, among others. The website earns money from the companies who require these tasks to be done and passes a portion of that earning onto the users who complete them. The website is structured in such a way as to make it as user-friendly as possible. The tasks are easy to find, and all of the details are clearly displayed. It is also incredibly easy to sign up and begin earning money. All you need is an internet connection, and you can start earning right away. So, there you have it, a brand new approach to making money online in 2024. With this new earning website, it's easy to get started and start earning money right away. The website is user-friendly and offers a variety of tasks for you to complete, so you are sure to find something that suits you. If you are interested in making some extra cash online, be sure to check out this new earning website today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.